everyone, good morning. Nabi karon sa beach, pangaligo ni. Pero it's low tide. Low tide today this morning. Look. Oh. They have jet ski here. So expensive. Just wear short because of the kids, Alin.
Nag-short ka na nag-work sa atin, Juna?
Ha?
Nag-short ka na nag-work?
Oh, lagi nag-work siya. Naman siya work karon. Nag-work siya. Unsa man ni? What is this one? Butang nato diha ang mga bag. Hala. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.